Science textbook on February 23, 2026, aligned with the National Education Policy, offering fresh perspectives on key historical events, including India's partition and the freedom movement. The updated version provides a more nuanced view of the partition of 1947, emphasizing that despite initial opposition from leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and many Indian Muslims, Congress eventually had no choice but to accept the division due to the circumstances. The textbook also expands on Britain's exit from India, acknowledging multiple factors such as popular uprisings, revolutionary movements, and Britain's weakened post-World War II status. It revisits the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, describing it as a deeply shameful chapter in British history, and offers a more detailed account of Direct Action Day, explaining how communal violence led to thousands of deaths and made partition inevitable. Additionally, the Pekka Rebellion of 1817, which had been removed in earlier revisions, is now reinstated after protests, and the harsh conditions faced by freedom fighters at the cellular jail in Andaman Islands are highlighted as a symbol of ultimate sacrifice in India's independence struggle. Rumi Mishra is joining me with more details. Rumi, what more can you tell us?
Yes, Vaishali, well, the NCERT has rolled out a revised Class 8 social science textbook aligned with the National Education Policy. This textbook was released on 23rd of February 2026, and the updated edition of this textbook revisits several key moments in India's past, offering expanded explanations and fresh perspectives, primarily Indian perspectives on pivotal events including India's partition and major freedom movement milestones. The revised textbook states that while freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi and other Congress leaders initially opposed the idea of partition in 1947, and many Indian Muslims also resisted it, circumstances eventually left leaders with little option but to accept the division. Earlier Class 8 history books also noted that a three-member British cabinet mission sent Delhi should not get the Congress and Muslim League to agree to specific details of the proposal, and that partition now becomes more or less inevitable. However, the older edition did not explicitly frame partition as the only viable path forward for Congress leaders, a nuance which has now been highlighted in this updated version. There has also been an expanded view on Britain's exit from India, and a very updated format of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre has been put out for the young leaders. The updated edition adopts sharper language while discussing the 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre, noting that the British government has still not issued an apology for the killings. The incident is described as a deeply shameful incident in British history, wording that did not appear in the previous book. So the NCERT has now stood up and stated that this incident, this massacre, this tragic incident was shameful for Britain. Over to you, Vaishali.
And with that, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back in a bit.